not my forte, but this is so low. But with the unforeseen significance of this coronavirus, I'm cooking. So I'm gonna show you and kind of cook with you, what is it? Cauliflower fried rice. Yeah, I've never done it before, so it should be interesting. Yeah, I guess this is like my sit-down vlog of the week. It's very interesting, guys. It's very interesting. I don't know what's going on out there. First off, I want to like just wish everyone health and safety, because that's like the most important and all that matters. But it is obviously really frustrating and hard to be a small business owner slash self-employed person right now, because it's very scary. Today was like basically my last day that I was gonna work in the salon, and I had kind of moved everyone to the beginning of the week anyway, so I only had like a couple people, but it's just not safe to be out there, and this virus is very wild, and we just need to quarantine and be in lockdown and do social distancing and listening to all the rules. It is very hard for me, I'll say that. I'll be the first to say that it's very, very challenging for me, because I am used to seeing a lot of people a day and having conversations and flying places. So this is super challenging. It honestly doesn't feel real. I feel like I'm in a movie, or it's just gonna end on Monday or whatever, but it's not. So I guess this is the new way. So this is why I'm cooking. I have to keep busy, so maybe I'll film more. I know I want to do like a maybe jewelry video and maybe like a perfume video, just a whole bunch of small ones. Yeah, and I'll still be uploading my vlogs that are older, but now we're kind of catching up with only a few months old. So those will be fun. And whatever we create on here. So let me get all the ingredients out, and then boom. All right, I have all of the ingredients over here. Okay, I don't know if you guys know this. Maybe you do. Maybe these are just normal things. But I don't like having like raw garlic in my fridge, because I feel like it smells. So these are cute little cubes that are in the frozen section, and then you just like pop them in, and then they turn into garlic. So I'm gonna have to use my fan, which might be annoying, so I might like fast forward all of this. But I'll show you what I bought and my method in case it's annoying with the fan, because I'll set off my fire alarms and it's never good. Okay, so the garlic, obviously the rice cauliflower is from Trader Joe's. I mean, this is very simple, guys. It's a whole bunch of like frozen things, but I don't know. Just making content here. Okay, then I got these stir-fry vegetables, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of corn. And I got these little baby corns, which I think will be cute, yummy. And I'm gonna put egg in them, because I do eat egg, even though sometimes I'm like vegan. I'm definitely vegetarian, but egg is fine for me. And then I have low sodium soy sauce. I really don't know which of these I'm gonna use. I'm just gonna go by taste. Coconut aminos, which I'm gonna do this first and see if this works the best, and we'll go from there because these are the most healthy. This basically tastes just like soy sauce, but this is like all natural, let's say, because it's just made from organic coconut tree sap. Okay. I also have here like a basil olive oil and sweet chili sauce. I don't know. I just have them here just in case. I also learned, I think, that when I cook on high heat, I'm not supposed to use olive oil. So you're supposed to use avocado oil. So I use this one. Olive oil can like make it extra smoky. We don't need that. So they tell me to combine all these things and then put the egg in, but I'm kind of weird about egg and it not being cooked all the way, so I might cook it in its own pan, but I'm not sure. Nor am I sure if these are the exact pans I'm supposed to use, but they seem like they're good. Like this one seems like it's good. I wish I had a longer handle, but this is all we got. That looks like this. And then look at this. I have this really cute stand, which maybe a lot of you have seen, but it's on Amazon. I can try to link it, maybe. It's definitely in my Amazon like favorites, but it's just so nice. It holds the phone and you can go like up and down with it. This goes up and down, taller, shorter. So it's fun even, it's just more convenient having this here and I can read the menu or the directions, the recipe, instructions, not directions. Directions would be if we're driving probably. Instructions. And like if I'm sitting and my friends and I are texting back and forth, it's nice because I don't have to hold my phone. So this is a really handy dandy device. And it's only like, I want to say it was either $20 or $30, which I think is a great investment since all we do is use our phones. I think that's it. I was gonna maybe show you, some people have told me they want a food haul. I don't really know how to do that besides just show you some things. Maybe I do that now? Let's do it. Why not? Okay, well for one, if you've never tried these chips, they are unreal. Unreal. I want you to get a close-up of them. If you can see the shape of them, they're like puffy, okay? These are actually made in Michigan. Ludington. Oh, wow. But they are so delicious, it's unreal. And you can find them a lot of places. I got these ones at, yikes. What's that place called? I'm not gonna think of it right now. It's on Woodward in Michigan. Anyways, a lot of gourmet stores have them, but they're so good and they're really fattening and bad, so they're just a treat. So I don't usually have them, but in Corona times, I'm just spoiling myself. Let's see. Gosh, this could go deep. All right, well, because I want to make a video, I do want to make a video of my favorite different things, but right now I'll just show you a sneak peek. For non-dairy creamers, I have tried them all, okay? This one is the best. Silk Oat. It's so delicious, and it's the vanilla one. I bought the caramel one, it's new. Haven't tried it yet. This only has 25 calories. That's one thing you have to watch about like oat milk, almond milk, all those. Some of them get you, and it's not just because of the different milk, but what they put in them. This is probably not like the best thing in the world for you, but it's lower calorie, and it's like I use just a splash here and there. But some of them are like 140 calories for a larger amount. So it makes me feel nice and healthy when it only says 25 calories. I don't know. Anyways, that's my favorite creamer, non-dairy creamer. I mean, everyone's favorite. I mean, Trader Joe's is like my favorite for, oh, okay, thanks. This is not gonna be a good description, but these are dairy-free little chocolate bars, like ice cream bars, and inside is caramel, like vanilla caramel and chocolate on the outside. Amazing. And they're only 180 calories, so if you have a sweet tooth like I do, then I don't feel like so terrible eating one of these at night. Obviously, these are amazing, but these will get you. 4 of these have 100 calories. I could like eat this whole thing. Not that we're watching calories on Corona time, but oh, I'm trying to get to, I got this really packed. This is usually not this full, but we're in dire straits here. Don't worry, we can feed families. Okay, this is my favorite, which sometime I'll do a video on how I cook this, because I actually have like a way I cook this. It's very simple, but it's so good. So Trader Joe's got a delivery, and I called them and I asked them like, when is your delivery in? And she was like, they're unloading it right now, hurry. And I was like, oh God, I like jumped in my car and I flew there. And right as I got to the frozen area, they were undoing the box of these. So I didn't go crazy, I only got 4, but I could have just taken the whole box. But I left some for others. There's so many things I could show you, but oh, okay. Another thing that I want to do a whole video on, or a little thing, is about fake, like, meatless things. These by far are the best meatless chicken nuggets or chicken-like things in the world. These. They're amazing. So good. There's some things I can't pronounce in here, but they don't have soy, for one. They're non-GMO, and they're decently high in protein. So, and I don't think they have corn. Yikes. This, I always think this is like corn, but it's not. I don't think they have corn. Anyways, they're delicious, and if you want to have a substitute for like a chicken nugget, these are amazing. Oh, okay. And on another hand, alcohol. If you like rum, I think this is rum. God, I'm not a drinker, but one day I really wanted a drink, and I went to this like fancy liquor store, and they told me, yeah, artisanal rum. They told me to try this. It's so good. I drink Diet Dr. Pepper, is my favorite thing in the world, so I try to have that as my treat. Normally I just have it without alcohol, but if I'm getting wild, I'll have Diet Dr. Pepper with this. And I had it once with Diet Verner's. Wow, really delicious. Oh, okay. This is another thing to talk about. So, I've heard all the rage about these. I haven't opened them yet. I just found them. I really wanted to find the chocolate chip ones, but beggars can't be choosers in these times, so we got sugar. Although I love a sugar cookie, so could be promising. But don't mind my Ziploc. I love a Ziploc. But this Simple Truth brand, they came out with plant-based cookies, and these ones are chocolate chip, and they are so delicious. They're really, really good. I like raw cookie dough. Eek. Maybe it says not to consume raw dough. But if they're vegan, doesn't that mean they don't have egg in them and egg is the bad thing? I don't know. Anyways, I eat it raw. It's really good. I was gonna try cooking them too, but then I get lazy to turn this oven on for just a cookie, so I don't know. I'm gonna whip these up one day though. I'm trying to really ration out my food and my calories during these lockdown time. All right, that's enough for that. Oh, well, we can talk about these. These are the greatest thing on earth. If you haven't tried these, and they're good. They're good for Corona times because they'll keep you healthy. I like mine in the fridge because they make them even more delicious. They look like this, and they're so good. They're gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO, organic, unfiltered. Apple cider vinegar gummies. Wow. When I tell you, I swear, this suggested use used to say that I could eat 12 a day. Or 16. It was wild, but I threw that container away and now it says only 6. 6 gummies a day. I definitely eat the 6 gummies a day. They're so delicious. And like, you know, gummy products are usually not vegan because they use, lots of words lately. They use something that comes, oh my God. I can think of tapioca, but that's not what it is. Gelatin. They use gelatin. And gelatin is, I think, made of some sort of fat or something from an animal. Definitely animal byproduct. So these are not, and they're vegan and everything, so they're so good. So sometimes I eat them like if I want a gummy bear. That texture, they're just like it and so good and healthy for you. Okay, on to the cooking. I'm sweating. I always have to look at which sticker goes to which. I'm gonna put these in first because I think this is gonna cook really fast. Gosh, this is annoying. This is gonna cook fast, and not that these are gonna take super long, but I just feel like these should go in first. Oh wait. First I should put the garlic in. This is when I have to turn this on. Whoa. I didn't even know I had that. Alright, good to know. I don't have sesame oil, which would be helpful, I'm sure. Maybe I have it. I have it in here. Oh my God, guys, I have it. I swear I buy everything. It's not even open. Okay, let me see it's lower. And then this is like my favorite thing ever because I'm really not good at seasoning stuff. This is garlic salt, sea salt, roasted garlic, onion, and parsley. It's a really good mix. Okay, I'm gonna cook them separately. I'm gonna cook the egg now because this is already like worrying me. This is a really good pan, nothing sticks to it, but I'm just going to put a little bit of that. I'm using this because I have it and I want to get rid of it. I made egg bites last week, so I just have this left over. I don't know how much I'm supposed to use, but I feel like egg is like protein and I don't get a lot of protein, so we might as well have a lot of egg in it. Also not sure how I'm gonna cook this. I bet it could use some of this. Honestly, I'm not sure why it's so watery. Okay. Okay, I gotta drain it a little, guys. I don't know why it came out watery. A little bit. Like, here it is. It's not bad. I just want a little less water. Trick. Okay, I guess I can't. It'll probably like soak it up or something. Whoa, it scared me. My window was opening. Yikes. Okay, so look, it feels so good about this because look at all the egg is cooked well. It's warm. Thank God that wasn't hot. Oh my God. Could have been really bad. This is this. A little soupier than I want, but I don't know. Okay. I'm just gonna put this in here now. Okay. Did it. I think it's really good too. Here, I'll take a bite. It's really good. Okay. And it's super healthy, guys. Low carb, which I need to work on when I can, because it's cauliflower rice instead of real rice. And just a whole bunch of veggies. Super yummy. I think it looked like I put a lot of like oils and different things, but I don't think we realize how much sodium and different sauces and butter that places put in our meals. That's why they're so delicious. So I don't think it was a lot. I don't know how much it was because I didn't measure anything. But with cooking, I feel like you can just be like to taste, whereas baking, you have to be more precise or things just won't come out right. From my experience. So that's it for this vlog, or whatever this is gonna be. Everyone just be safe and healthy, and let's get through these crazy times. And I hope this helps someone be distracted from the craziness, or actually laugh for a second just because I don't know what I'm doing. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please do that, because I need all the subscribers I can get at this point, and likes and comments and everything. So, and also if you have a video request or something that you'd like to see, put it down below. And okay, bye. Look guys, this was my little precious pumpkin just laying here. Look, her little tongue is outside of her mouth now. Oh, my babies, I love you. You weren't a great sous chef though, you were very lazy. But I love you.